make it so? Ooh, I love the colors. And
I'm gonna build a droid. I know one thing that I want, and the rest of it, I don't know what it's gonna be. So it's gonna be kind of a wonky, put together thing. Really a scavenger thing. So you scavenge what's in there.
And there is all different. This is not all parts actually. It's way more colors
Bright
there.
sun.
Yeah, this is the anniversary droid on sale for $98.
We can build the anniversary droid. But
You want the anniversary?
I want the anniversary droid.
Okay.
I changed my mind.
Let's do anniversary
Give me,
droid
I
then.
guess,
So what does make it so? Ooh, I love the colors.
Yeah.
Wow, I like the colors a lot.
wow, that is.
And
Wow.
the remotes are too. It has the remotes actually.
How long have you been selling it? Oh my goodness. Wow.
Purple colors.
How
I like colors.
The colors are fantastic.
It's gloss too. The head's gloss.
And the head's glossy, a little pearly even.
Yeah, there's yellow here. Yeah.
And the purple.
Thank you. Okay,
oh,
you done?
This is good. Yeah. We got it?
Yeah, follow me.
This is how fast change a decision. First we say hush hush, and they have a good sale on anniversary, and
I don't think it's just about the sale though, it's the anniversary, and I have loved the anniversary colors, and so when I saw these colors, I'm like, even if it hadn't been on sale, I would have got these.
I do like colors as well,
The
honestly.
colors are fun.
I think it just look at this,
I like it.
and it's a metallic look. It's a beautiful.
Wow. This makes me so happy.
Yeah, this is look very cool.
Okay.
And the color, the purple with all, is very nice coloring on this.
Sons, how are you today,
Right
folks?
then.
Excellent.
All right, now did we talk about this just yet? Just reel it in, okay?
All right.
I'll be around to check on you just in case my back's turned. Just hit
Okay.
this alert button, and then I'll come and find you, okay?
Thank you, thank you. All right, so look. Okay, right in there. Another
Click.
I heard that click.
I heard click too.
But the click's not enough. Come in. There we go. I don't want any more clicking though, right?
Yep.
I think that's tight enough. And here's one. Oh, the colors.
Oh, the beautiful colors, honestly. This is a very
know.
good one.
Click. There we go. Just the right amount of torque there. Ooh. Okay, so one, put that in. Two. They're front and back to this. Here we go.
You have it.
There is a front and back to it, and we can't put it in the wrong way. See, look, there's a little slot right here, and there's a little slot right there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There. That's what it's supposed to be like. Sweet. All right, so that was 1, 2, now I'm 3. I gotta put the head on. Hello, my friend. We should name our anniversary droid. Okay, it's the same here, see? And so we have these 5, and we have the slot here, and there's the slot, so that we can get all these touching. I think I got it, there we go. And I heard a little click. So they're set in there well. Sweet. I think we're doing good. Thank you. Look at this. Pop them right. Oh, these are always like, oh, this came in easy. Nice. There we go. See, my nails match. And they're not the same color,
Matching,
but
kind of
they're-
sparkly, yeah.
Yeah, they're not the same color, but they like fit. They fit the vibe. Oh, and this is for Look at this. This is something we could put one of those on, right?
Yep.
Like it looks like there could be an attachment there and so they could do something. That's interesting. Look at that. I dropped it! And for that. Oh,
Nice color. I love it.
my friend. Oh, this is. I love these.
It's
Wow.
not alive still, Emma.
No, it's
I think
not.
we're done.
Now we
Yeah, I
did
think we
All
have it.
right. Like everything about the droid?
I do.
Okay.
I
See
do.
that gray square? That's our on-off switch.
Okay.
Move it to the circle with the line. That makes him go on. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and get him activated. And I will need your remote. Pairing. Pairing.
Sorry.
All right, he is good. Whenever you're ready, miss, go ahead and get him activated.
Are we ready?
It's alive.
Look at that.
Great job. You're now a master certified droid builder.
Yay.
Now we're going to have some fun with him.
Look, it's a
Okay.
purple color also.
Oh wow. This
So you're going to put all his legs back, including this one. It is okay. They will not break. They're very durable. I know. It tickles. So there you go. You're going to put him on the floor, miss, and we're going to practice with him forward, backward, left, right. Sound, head spin, head spin. Right,
Okay.
put him on the floor, practice with him, and then I'll be back with the box when you're ready.
All right. Thank you.
Look on the colors.
It's a different voice. A little bit. You knew I was going to do that. You hear it? It's different. Oh no, I know, I'm putting you down. Wow. So if we're gonna leave him here, I should turn him off, right?
Yes.
Okay, so he's gonna get babysat here, and we will turn him off. There we go.
And your remote as well.
Yep.
I do like colors. I think it's one of the better colors ones.
Yes. Now, if we were going to take this little guy around the park with us, the perfect thing would have been to have a backpack like that.
And also, what do the personality tips?
We have a lot to do, so we'd like to have you guys babysit this droid for us.
Need the receipt for the droid I'm sitting with.
Welcome, little 70th anniversary R2-D2. Welcome to our family of droids. Thank you for watching. See us in our next adventure.